We know that how VS Code is important, not compulsory, but very useful and most widely used by programmers as a IDE or code editor. In this video, I'm going to show you best 5 extensions of VS Code according to me for improving programming skills and performance. Watch this video till end. I will give you 2 extra bonus extensions also. So let's start the video. First of all, I will show you how to download VS Code. It is obvious, but it is necessary also. So let's download Visual Studio in our system. Go to this code.visualstudio.com site and click here on this button. Select your operating system and click here to download. A pop-up will come and save it. After completion of downloading, install it in your system and launch it. So I have just launched Visual Studio in my system. So let's go to the extensions. To download the extension, here is the extension tab. You can enter the name of any extensions and you can install it on clicking on this button or here also. We will come to this installation process afterwards. Let's check out best 5 extensions according to me for improving the programming performance. So here is the first extension, bracket pair colorizer. The clue is in the title, but the bracket pair colorizer gives the opening and closing brackets of matching colors. Custom bracket characters can also be configured and we can add a background color to the active scope too. To install this extension, go to the extension tab and enter bracket pair colorizer and click here to install and it will install in your system. So move to the next extension. So the next extension is auto rename tag. While VS Code inherently highlights matching tags and immediately adds closing tags whenever we type an opening tag, auto rename tag extension automatically renames tags that we change. This extension works for HTML, XML, PHP and JavaScript also and removes the need to change our tag names twice. Let's see how to install the auto rename tag in our VS Code. Go to extension and here click auto rename tag. Click here to install and it will be installed in our system. Another useful extension is CSS Pick. This extension is very useful for front-end developers. Inspired by a similar feature in IDE brackets, CSS Pick allows us to extend our HTML and EJS file to show CSS code within the source code. It allows us to quickly jump to the right CSS code if we know the class or ID name. So let's install this. Enter here CSS Pick and go to the first result and click here to install. Let's move to the next extension, JavaScript code snippets. While VS Code includes built-in JS IntelliSense, JS code snippets enhance that experience by adding a slew of import and export triggers, class helpers, and method triggers. The extension supports JS, TypeScript, React.js, TS React, HTML, etc. The VS Code Marketplace code snippets for other flavors such as Angular are also readily available. Here enter JavaScript code snippets. And here it is, JavaScript code snippets, and click here to install. It is successfully installed. Another last but not least extension is Peacock. Peacock allows you to change color of Visual Studio Code environment. I think this is cute one. Extension Peacock allows us to change the color of our Visual Studio Code environment, so we can quickly identify which instance we have just switched to. Let's install this, and it is successfully installed. And we have successfully installed 5 best extensions that will improve our productivity as a coder. If you are still here, then let's move towards the extra bonus extensions. The first bonus extension is Colorize. Sticking with colors, Colorize instantly visualize the CSS colors in our CSS files. This makes it very easy to see at glance which colors we are using and where. And another bonus extension is Icon Fonts. Icon Font offers snippets for variety of colors, including the popular font Awesome V5 icon pack. For those who are not using VS Code, this package is also available for Atom or Sublime Text also. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope that these extensions will improve your productivity in coding. For such type of amazing content, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if these extensions are helpful for you, then hit like and share it to your friends, and thanks for watching.